That is glued on. That's why it's so difficult to get off. Broken before, glued on. Other side just fell apart, pulled off with my hand. Broke one clip, but it just lifted off quite easy. Very brittle inside. Anyway, I'll clean this up, get the new ones on. Okay, so left and right. That's not the same code. Right hand side of the car 73852. Left side of the car 73853. 32 poo. Ooh, nice. Oh, bollocks! I need those clips. Shit! I thought they were in there. That's a fuck up. Boom, just like that. So I've got the clips. Let's finish this job. Looks like that's in there properly. Ooh, nice. Push it down and back. It's on there.